think I need a train today. Oh yeah, baby. Oh look, Godzilla. Hey. Godzilla, baby. Oh my goodness. Mack truck. Hey guys, look at this. Look at these ladies coming by. What do you think of this? Oh, I missed it. Look at it. Look at that big mama with her big ass jiggling. You like that? Looks like they're digging for some. Look how dirty that canal water is. Holy shit. Look at that. It's like toilet water. Hey guys, check out this giant horse. Gulfstream Casino. You want to drive by it? What do you think of this? What is this, a Hummer? Oh, a Mustang? It's a Ford. I don't know, what is that? Oh, a Bronco, the new Bronco. Same with this car right here, look, this Mercedes. Look at the color of this. You like that color? You're gonna spend that much money on a vehicle, I don't know. Color I don't like. I think this is like, look at this guys, an Aston Martin SUV. What do you think of that? First time I saw one of those. I swear to God, the traffic here in Miami, North Miami, and probably the whole, everywhere in Miami is horrible. What time is it? It's 12:30 already. It's getting bad. South Florida, it's so crowded now. I don't know. Harley Davidson. Let's check this Harley Davidson out. What is this? Classic, right? No. It's a nice bike. 6-speed. Oh, that's a new building. Golden Beach, the government center, the police department. Damn. That probably cost millions to build. Hallandale Beach. Hallandale. I don't know, that don't sound good. Something. I saw a shark in here once.